Good morning. It's Wednesdays. I'm Wayne. Welcome to Wednesdays with Wayne. I'm running because I was out on the beach and there was no internet access. So now that I've got some, you can see where I am. So I'm broadcasting today from the beach in Santa Barbara. And I want to share something with you today that I haven't talked about much. This is the Veloway. You can see people out cycling and running, and there's the beach. Here's the sun coming up. So I want to start by thanking you for your time as always. I'm kind of winded because I was running down the beach. I was out there and the thing wouldn't come on. I'm like, whoa, wait a minute. I'm missing that thing Al Gore invented. What's it called? Oh, yeah, the internet. So here I am. I want to talk to you today. As I say usually, this event is brought to you by, it's going to be a little rough today, so bear with me. That was funny. I'm standing out there waiting for the video to start. It won't start. It's going around and around. Oh, yeah. Internet, the beach. They don't go together. So here it is. It's really beautiful here. The sun is just coming up. You can see the mist on the ocean and the boats out in the harbor. It's just a beautiful place. And so the reason I'm doing this here is because, as I said, it's brought to you by the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. And for months, we've been talking about how to use it. And today, I want to shift focus a little bit and talk about something else. This is the hotel where we're staying. It's the inn on the beach in Santa Barbara. So anyway, this is the book. It's how to get, you see this right? How to get rich in real estate and have a life. What we've been talking about is how to get rich. And today I want to talk about the have a life part. And I'll say this, okay? Success is a choice. You choose to be successful. You don't become successful. It doesn't happen to you. You choose it, and you do what it takes to become successful, whatever success is to you. There are different levels of success, and what some people call success is not the same definition that others would call success. So we all have different definitions of it. It doesn't matter what that is. What matters is that you have a definition and you use it. And so, as I said before, there are three purposes to a business. One is to give, number one purpose of a business is to give you your life. The second purpose is to solve a problem, and the third is to add value. And so I want to talk about the design your life part, because if you don't design your life, someone will be happy to do it for you. They're doing it, they've been doing it, they're doing it right now, and they're going to continue to do it, because some people just like telling other people what to do. So number one, I think it's important to design your life. What do you want? Why do you want it? How will you know when you have it? So that's number one. When you start designing your life, the next thing you know, you can actually have a life. You can have your life exactly the way you want it, because you have the power to do that. You've already done it. So whatever you have, whatever you have in your life you don't like, you put there because you'd have something you didn't like, something you could complain about. What do you do like, you put there so you'd have some things that you like there. Everything you have in your life, you put there. You created it. You created all of it. You have the power to do that. So if you don't like it, you have the power to change it. So I want to talk about the have a life part. The enemy to success is confusion. The enemy to success is confusion. So success is a choice. Please write this down. Success is a choice. I choose to be successful. And the enemy of success is confusion. And one of the confusing things I hear people, I'll turn around this way so you can see the beach behind me. One of the enemies to success is confusion. And one of the confusing things I say is people always repeating these sayings that they've heard. They don't think about them. They just repeat them. And all I'm suggesting is clear your mind, think about what you're thinking about, and think about if these sayings make sense, because some of them don't make sense anymore. And here's the one I'm talking about. Time is money. This is the most nonsensical thing I've heard. Time isn't money. Time is time. Money is money. They're two different things. And what you do with your time determines how much money you're going to have. Look, we all have the same amount of time. They're totally different subjects. We all have the same amount of time, at 24 hours a day. And you can't, so you can't, we all have the same amount, but we don't all have the same amount of money. That's one thing makes them different. The other thing makes them different is you can't expand your time. You can't grow your time. You can't multiply your time. You got 24 hours a day and that's it. But what you do with but you can multiply your money. And what you do with your time determines how much money you have. So why is money important? Because once you have more money than you need, you buy your time back. This is why it's crucial to me to have more money than I need. Because I have more money than I need, I can buy my time back. And then I can do what I want with my time. So this is why I keep saying hard work is a highly overrated activity, because it won't buy you more time. This money will buy you time. So one of the things you can buy, the most valuable things you can buy, is your time back. And once you get your time back, this is what you can do with it. You can go to the beach. So what do you do with your time? You spend it on income producing activities. So for example, yesterday morning before we left Austin, first thing we did, we finalized that deal on a property we're selling. We've been in a 3-week negotiation, finally finished it tomorrow before we left. Next thing we did was we finalized the deal. We've been buying a property, we've been working on it for almost 14 days. We finally negotiated a deal on it. So before lunch, we negotiated 2 more real estate deals. It's going to make us a buttload of money. Then I went to the city of Lakeway. I met with the city manager. We're talking about doing this development deal. And we're trying to figure out what's happening with the water and the drainage and the building product and access to this property. It's actually landlocked, and the sellers want too much for it. It goes on and on and on and on. But it's like fun, going out and trying to figure out how we're going to put this deal together, what's it going to cost us, how much we're going to make, how do we raise $12 million, and now we go get this thing done. So then we met with our VP of operations. We talked about what needed to be done while we were gone, asked her to help us do it. So she got us the things she can do. Then we jumped on a plane and flew here. So we got up and had breakfast in Austin. We had dinner in Santa Barbara. So here we are in Santa Barbara, took our money, and now we're buying our time back with it. So we're out with some of our best friends. We're having a great time. We had a beautiful dinner. They brought wine. We're hanging out. We're telling jokes. We're talking about how we got beat up and how we beat other people up and how we made money and how we lost money and what we're going to do next. Everything. It's just fun talking about deals and with business. And the best thing you can have, part of success, is to be around successful people. Please hear me on this. Get rid of the losers in your life and hang around successful people. And hang on with people that are playing at a really high level, a really big game. And they'll inspire you to do the same. And those are the friends that we're with. And we just have a great time with them. They're wonderful people and beautiful and philanthropic and business and investing and run a great company. And they're just on it. So they don't whinge and whine about the recession. They just reinvent and keep them figuring out how to use technology to do things better and better and better and better. And they just keep getting better. They can't hit a golf club, they go take lessons. They have a problem with an employee, they go take lessons. They get management, they get coaching, they work on themselves, they work on their business, and they're just into getting better and better and better and better. So the people, if you're not working to get better, then you're not going to be successful. I'm telling you, it's a choice that you make. Right here this morning, just earlier, there were 20 people out there dragging big old bags of sand across the beach. And there was a coach out there. And he was yelling at them and coaching them, not in a bad way, but encouraging them. And they're dragging sand, they're running back and forth up and down the beach. And I'm like, wow, those people are really committed. I'm standing here in my slacks, and my golf outfit. And they're over there trudging up and down the beach. So this is it, see? Time isn't money. Time is time. Money is money. But what you do with your time, it's income producing activities. And they produce the money. Then you take the money, you buy your time back. Then you can actually go out and have a life. So by 2 o'clock, we'll be in Carmel on a golf course. And tomorrow we're going to get up, we're going to play again. And then next day we're going to play again. And then we're going to have great dinners. We're going to drink wine. We're going to have a lot of really good jokes. We're going to have a lot of really good fun. So this is what it's about. I didn't want to talk about on every session about money and wealth and work, and money and wealth and work. There's a time to take off and enjoy the fruits of your labor, and to be with the friends that you love and enjoy, and to have this beautiful life, and to go places and these things and do things. It's all via design. I'm here because I chose to be here. I'm here with the people I chose to be with, because success is a choice. Getting rich is a choice. Having the life you want is a choice. There's no one to blame. It's all a choice. You choose this, and this is what we chose. So you can choose it too. So I just want to thank you for time. Thank you for showing up. Oh, here's my friend, Bill Shopoff. Let me introduce Bill to you. Here's my traveling companion. Hey, Bill.
How you doing?
This is Bill Shopoff.
Look who I find on Wednesdays with Wayne. Wayne.
Right. Who knew? So we're going to go grab a bite, I guess.
Yeah.
And then we're going to drive to Carmel.
Another great day.
Right.
Awesome day out here, and another great talk about Wayne. Thanks for sharing.
Thank you. You bet. So this is what we do. What's who we hang out with. So I'm gonna go hang out with my friend Bill Shopoff, and then we're gonna go get the girls and go have some coffee and hit the road. So thank you for showing up. Thank you for your time. This has been Wednesdays with Wayne. Brief, but please remember, time isn't money. Time is time. Money is money. They're two different subjects. What you do with your time determines how much money you'll have. So take that money, buy your time back, and go have the life you were designed to have. Remember, success is a choice, so choose wisely. That's it for today. Thank you for showing up. I'll see you next week. This is Wednesdays with Wayne, brought to you by the Real Estate Business School, where you get your license and learn to use it. It's another beautiful day. Enjoy yours. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.